Life in the old dog yet.
There are not many times in this job where I am awed by a car, but today I am. So this gentleman managed to get an Australian Holden Ute, a Maloo, registered in California. Seems to have been brought in a shell, and then he bought a 2012 Camaro and swapped everything over from the Camaro and swapped it to left-hand drive from a crashed Pontiac GTO. It's insane and really nicely done. What an awesome car. What an absolutely awesome car. So I suppose this is the Australian El Camino, but so much better. So much better. Welcome back. It's happening. The big thick bar is going up there right now. Friends are coming round. I'm going to hold it, weld it, and hopefully you guys will approve. Now, yes, it is a different time of day. The eagle-eyed among you will have noticed. I have had concern over my design of this contraption behind, but it's up, and the bug body is not going to weigh a lot because a lot's going to be chopped out of it. So we're going to give it a go. We're going to go slow, and if it doesn't work, we'll go from there. Whoa! Oh, you could die up there. We can hit. I was like, I can take it. I'm like, ah! Oh my god, that's so good. Good video. It's mushroom head. That's wrong. I have a friend called Gay Rob. He's fine that he's gay, but he's so fucking creepy. Yay, she's in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, good progress so far. So we have top bar in, bug in. Both things I couldn't do on my own. Now, tonight I can get this carpet out and some bars welded across, that'll be good. And that's that. I have taken some preliminary measurements, and like I think I was saying before, if we can get a piece of metal actually and we can lay it down. Let's see if we can do that, just so we can eyeball it. Okay, so you can see it's pretty close. The door belly's out though. That's the inside of the A-pillar, and the door belly's out obviously because the A-pillar sticks in a bit. So this rear area here narrows down to right around 100. Let's see that. Off the wheel. So it was narrowing down to 100. That is inside these struts, so these are going to be under the wing outside. Okay, interesting, very interesting. I wonder if we're going to be able to keep these. I wonder, as the body tapers down, whether we're going to be able to have the room to keep those there. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Right, okay, so more practical things. Carpet needs to come out. Okay, well, it's a start. So all those three are welded in. I love it when a plan comes together. So that's that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I was going to do a bit of chopping on here, but we've got the braces in, and I just watched Fab, and he only did front to back braces like that. I didn't do anything to the floor. And this is kind of the same situation. So I may leave it like that for now. I'm pretty undecided. So while I'm deciding, what I'm going to do is let's get his body off. At least, you know, get a load of panels off tonight. It's like 4:30, just got home from work. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plumb bob some wheel centers on the wings. So then obviously I'm going to pull the wings when I like temporarily put them back on with like, ooh, that's bubbly. Ooh, it's a bit crusty. When I temporarily put them back on, when this is on the Z3, I can just get an idea of wheel center and stuff like that. Tied one of my big nuts to the end of a string, and I'm not bragging. There we go, wheel center on the fender. Definitely a fair amount of grot in the heater channels. I hope this isn't indicative of the rest of the car. Hope we don't find Bondo anywhere. Well, there is some Bondo, but case in point. But yeah, so definitely had some dampness at some point in her life. Now. Sit rep update. The plane. Old people, you know what I'm talking about. There we go. So we've had one spinning wing nut, not too bad. One is, you know, just kind of bent out of shape. So those two will need repairing. This is all going to get chopped, that's fine. Heater channel's going to get chopped, that's fine. Gas tank's out, awesome. Gonna carry on now, yeah, just keep finding bolts, keep undoing. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are in full night mode. Let's get on, let's get some work done. This is not good news and could put the actual use of this body in complete jeopardy. How this thing's straight, I have no idea. I never realized. Look at that in a wing. This thing's been in one hell of a smack. Bloody hell, I never even noticed it when it was underneath the fender. Look at this. Look at that. So I mean that side, that's what it's kind of supposed to look like. And you look at that, Jesus, this has been in a big old smack, a big old crash. Wow, I mean, I'm going to be chopping all of that out, which is great. I mean, look at the floor. Wow, this has been in a huge crash. This is insane. And it's a clean title. That's supposed to be like here. I never noticed that when I was looking at it. Okay, note to self, don't buy cars in the dark. Then don't rush. God. Okay, because I'm an inquisitive sort, it's killing me to know what is in this area. How much bog, any creasing. So I pulled out my favourite friend. Now, can't do this for a lot because it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm outside. And my neighbours are awesome, but I just have to know what's in there. It's a good, Jesus, it's a good 5mm thick. What's that? 5mm. 1/4 of an inch. Good 1/4 of an inch thick. Okay. Well, I definitely think it's days of doing Concours d'Elegance are past. And I wonder if this is going to change the direction of the build into a little more of a Mad Maxed theme. So this whole thing, I think this whole quarter is going to be full of bog. Full of bog. I didn't want the build to involve a lot of this kind of bodywork, metalwork. Looks like it's going to. Somebody was definitely good with the filler. Definitely. Well, on that bombshell, I'm going to end the episode. We shall carry on the journey of discovery tomorrow and see what we find. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.